Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, as you know that it's a storytelling series, real storytelling का series है जिसमें मैं आपको सिखाता हूँ कि कैसे real stories को English में convert करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं. तो मैं आपको story बोल करके सुनाता हूँ guys. So let me tell you about the incident which took place yesterday. That's quite real, quite fresh incident. So let's get started everyone. Before I start, I must show you something guys. As you can see this area, can you see that tank and there is a pipe? So this tank, this is the tank, you can call it soak pit. So what happened, I'm telling you, actually for a couple of weeks the water had been exuding from this area, from the bottom of the soak pit the water had been exuding. It's been I think 1 or 2 weeks and the water was coming to this field which doesn't belong to me. So it was a kind of, the bone of contention I would say. So in order to fix this issue, my father decided to call a mason along with the laborer. So when the mason came, so what we decided that okay, there should be a kind of measurement so that whatever we have to do, that should be in our land. So we decided to make one fence there. Can you see that fence, that wall construction, that barricade? So when we decided to set up a barricade over here, so in order to do this we had to do the measurement. As you can see guys, I can show you this. Can you see this pillar? So this pillar is the border. From the half of the pillar the area belongs to me, and here this side the area, this field belongs to someone else. So we decided to put this barricade. Can you see this barricade? So it is here from the half of the pillar. Okay, this, it is in my field. So in order to do the measurement so that this brick should not come to this field, we decided to call the owner of this field so that everything should be quite clear. So the owner came and the measurement was started. When the measurement was going on, the mason put one end of the thread on this pillar and another end of the thread was that side. When this measurement was going on, suddenly the pugnacious, ill-mannered, I would say he is nothing but a bumpkin, a yokel, that son of the landlord came and he started yelling at the top of his voice. He was discontented with the measurement which was going on. And he said, no, I want the measurement from quite long away. I don't have any word to explain this. In order to satisfy him, what we had to do, I'm telling you guys, can you see this area? Here you can see the fence. Can you see the fence? So we got this fence removed and then the one end of the thread was taken that side, can you see that building that side, and there the one end was put and another end was put this side. Then the measurement was done, then the person got satisfied. So this scene, this water exuding has become the bone of the contention here. Finally, when the person got satisfied, then we asked the mason to put the setup here, this kind of boundary, and the work is going on, construction is going on. Rest of the work will be done on the 1st January. So this is the story guys I told you. So as you saw that if you talk about storytelling means whatever happened in the past, you have to explain. You will be in the present time. You understand? You will be in the present time and you are talking to someone, you are narrating the story. So when you are narrating, you have to think about that incident which happened in the past. So whatever the incident took place, you have to explain. And in order to explain, you must need some structures, which are second form. I always tell you V2. V2 is definitely, it is required. Without V2, you cannot tell a story. V2 is there, it means past indefinite. Was, were is, definitely was, were is required. It could be state of being or could be past continuous. I would say that every structure is required. So whoever wants to practice in storytelling must be quite whiz at making sentences. You should be whiz at making, every kind of sentences, using tenses, using models, passive, everything. Once you know all the structures, then you should try storytelling guys. This is the tips from my side. Anyways, so this is all. I believe you must have understood. So see you in another episode. You can also start your storytelling at your home. So this is all about this video guys. Thank you very much everybody. Stay connected. Thank you.